In this video, I'll detail how to hard reset iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So this will help you to reset all your iPhone 12 series. So this works on all iPhone 12 series. The hard reset is going to formally hard reset your iPhone 12 without deleting any data on your iPhone. So what this does is it clears all cache on your iPhone and does reload the iPhone code without deleting photos, applications, or save data password on your iPhone. So if I don't know this video, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to hard reset your iPhone 12, all you just need to do is press the side button and then the volume up button together at the same time simultaneously until you see slide to power off. Do not slide to power off, just keep pressing until the iPhone screen goes blank or black. And once the iPhone screen goes black, do not let go either of the buttons, just keep pressing until you see the Apple logo. So once the Apple logo comes up, then let's go off the button. Then just hang on for your iPhone to load again. And once the iPhone loads successfully, this is going to hard reset your iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max, and iPhone 12 mini. What this does is to clear the iPhone cache and then reload the iPhone code again without deleting any data on your iPhone. So this is not going to delete your application. It's not going to delete your photos. It's not going to delete your videos. It's only going to hard reset your iPhone by clearing the cache and then reload the codes again. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.